Obi Wheezy, Obi Wheezy, Obi Wheezy, Obi Wheezy, Obi Wheezy, Obi Wheezy.
I want to welcome you again to this channel. As you know, for Obi Wheezy, they sell ogbonge gadgets, and some of you are customers. They like change your phone to either the latest one or the one where they use the memory don't full, and you won't get the one we get bigger space. And we for Obi Wheezy, we don't create that opportunity. Say if you don't tire for your phone, you won't change them. If you bring this one back to us, say you won't sell this. So now I go give you now the legit info on how we dey run the swap level. First of all, if you want to do swap, you will don't buy the device from us. Guys, come with your receipt. That receipt, they very important. I know say I dey always get feedback for some customers. Say once they buy their phone or buy laptop or buy anything from Obi Wheezy or from any store, they fit just look and say, wetin we dey use this receipt for? Abeg, this receipt dey cost dirty for house. No, that receipt dey very important. If you no protect your receipt, no evidence of payment then. So it dey very important for you to always protect your receipt. Now, for instance, say you wan come swap your device for our office, you gats come with your receipt. And say you no buy that phone from us, or your receipt no dey with you again, maybe you don do mistake throw away the receipt, and now you go need go swear affidavit. And for that affidavit, go get your name, your phone number, your address, the name of the device wey you wan swap, the color of the device, the size of the device, the IMEI of the device. And you go also write say you dey willing to trade your device with Obi Wheezy under goodwill. So make e no be like say steal the phone from your hand or na stolen device we dey buy. So e dey very important to protect you and to protect our own too. And when you dey come our office with your affidavit, you need come along with your valid ID, either your international passport or your driver's license or even your voter's card. Anyone will get your information. You know, say everybody gats dey secured. You gats dey secured, I gats dey secured also. Also, phones where they don't lose the phone, engineer don't lose them, don't chook screw, don't lose all the screw comot from the phone, and the phone even they look like new phone again. Sometimes we fit no collect the phone, and even if we won't collect the phone, the value of the phone will drop based on say engineer don't lose the phone. Then if engineer never touch your phone before, the value of your phone will increase. Then most times some people go and swap their device from us, go bring phone where the screen don't break, or the cover don't lost, or the camera don't break, or one thing don't do the phone. So if you want buy that phone from you, the value of the phone go reduce. That's why most times you go need protect your phone well, make nothing do am, make no scratch dey the body, just in case you want sell that phone later on. Like for Samsung phones, we know they too buy that one because of the screen. The screen dey very expensive, and once we tell you the price of the screen, na fit vex or na fit run say, Obi Wheezy dey bill me well, Obi Wheezy dey do like this, Obi Wheezy dey do like that, and all of that. So that's why for Samsung, we know they too buy them. But if na any other phone, no worry. Now I want to tell you now items where we dey swap. We dey swap Samsung phones, we dey swap iPhones, we dey also swap laptops. If you get and say you use them well, go buy them from you. Then we dey swap some other devices at company's discretion, like your boards, your JBL speakers, your PlayStations, the ones we don't tire you where you want upgrade. Maybe you get PlayStation 4, you want move to 5. Then we go see as you take use them before we go know if we go buy them or not. Now I want to tell you now how the swap level be for our branches. You know, say we get our head office for Ikeja. We also get our pickup center for Lekki and also for Abuja. So we don't leave anybody out. Maybe you get some people who go dey Lekki, we no go like come Ikeja, and you want swap for Lekki. Just know say you guys hold your receipt, go Lekki office. Because if you no carry your receipt, go Lekki office, the sworn affidavit you no work for that side. That sworn affidavit now when you no get your receipt, and now for Ikeja office you go feel run that level. If you dey Abuja, no need for you to come Lagos to come dey swap your phone. Just go straight to our Abuja office, then you fit swap your device there. But you must go there with your receipt, and make sure say na phone wey you buy from us. If you want swap for Lekki and for Abuja, you gats make sure say the phone you buy am from us, from Obi Wheezy. But if you no buy the phone from us and you no get your receipt, you gats come Ikeja, come swap the phone. But once you get your receipt and the phone you buy am from Obi Wheezy, no wahala, no shaking. Just go Abuja if you dey Abuja, or if you dey the northern part of Nigeria, just go Abuja, they go swap the level for you there. Now, most people think say if they wan come swap their phone, they go just rush, breeze in, breeze out. just feel say they fit just come drop the phone, top money, carry another one, dey move. No be so e be. Our swap process normal dey take minimum of 2 hours. Why? No be say we just wan take your time or because we like your face, we just wan dey look your face. Based on say we gats test the phone well, we gats check everything about the phone and make we see if the phone reach our swapping standard. Then if you wan swap your device or your phone, you go need come early. Sometimes the process fit long pass we dey even dey talk am sef, so you go need come early. Our Ikeja office dey open from 8 o'clock and we dey close 6. Our swap time dey take between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. So if you know say you wan swap your device for Obiwizi, you gats come between 8 to 12. So after we don check the phone, see whether your screen dey blink eye or the battery no reach our standard wey we dey sell, or the phone dey quick hot and all of that, we go come value the phone, tell you the price, then you go come top up, collect your new phone. As e take be now, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and also share them to your friends out there. Remember, Obiwizi is your guy.
Obiwizi, 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 Obiwizi.